Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports a live data indicator. Many modern Android skins include it. Open Settings and go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network so you're in the right place. Once there, locate the option labeled to show mobile data in the status or notification bar and toggle it on. Doing this now lets you see live upload/download figures. Make sure to grant any required permission and restart the bar if it doesn't appear immediately. Once done with basics, you configure how data is shown so it's useful. You should pick units that match your needs, KB/S for precision or Mbps for readability, and set a refresh rate that balances battery and accuracy. If the phone supports per app tracking, enable it to see which apps use bandwidth in real time. Also, make the indicator persistent in the notification area so it won't be cleared by accident. This ensures continuous feedback while you use apps and stream media. To finish, test the indicator by streaming a video or downloading a file and watch the numbers move. This confirms correct operation. If values don't update, reboot the device and, if needed, clear the system UI or status bar cache to remove stale state. Make sure no third-party overlay or battery optimizer is blocking the status updates. Temporarily disable such apps, and if the feature still fails, revert custom ROM tweaks or check for an OEM setting that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.